In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the variable valve timing solenoid on this Audi A4. This vehicle has the 2.0 liter engine, and this is going to be located on the back side of the engine. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector. You just push on the tab, slide that back. There's a wire right here with a wire retainer. You want to use a trim tool and just get behind here. Just pop that out. Just pull that out of the way. Just to make this easier, I'm going to use a bungee cord and just pull this out of the way. I'm going to use a triple square socket. This is a 5mm. And we're going to take this bracket off. There's a screw right there. This one's a little rusty. I'm just going to give it a tap. Take that screw out. Grab that bracket. It slides right out. Using a T20 socket, we're going to take the two screws out that are next to the VVT. And pull that screw out. And grab the next one. Pull that one out. Now I'm just going to use an air gun or a blow gun. Just get some of the dirt out of the way just so nothing falls in the engine. Now grab the VVT sensor, just give it a wiggle back and forth. It slides out. I'll just take the new sensor, I'm going to pour some oil on it. Just use the oil that's required for the vehicle. It's fine. That's good. Get a little on the O-ring and line that up. And just carefully slide that in place. Push it down. And take the screws and get those started. Just be careful not to drop it. Get that one started. And the other one. Snug that down. Now we'll torque these bolts to 36 inch-pounds. That's good. Now take the bracket. The bracket in place. And take the bolt, get that started. And snug that down. That's good. We'll take the bungee cord off the wire, connect that retainer, push that in. Take the connector, line this up, and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.